So after this previous video, which you'll have a link to here, where I installed the Heritage grille, I then realised that I needed to install the Heritage light surrounds, because otherwise it's going to look pretty weird. This video was brought to you with a healthy mix of British weather that rained pretty much between every installation and every time going out to record another section of video. But ho-hum, got me some nice B-roll, which I kind of enjoyed, especially with the new Sigma 18-35 lens. Yeah, I really love this lens. I know, it's sad, but here you go. Yeah, we got the surrounds, and it seems such a shame. Well, let's get the plastic things out of the way. They're not plastic, they are alloy as well. Lovely and light. I love alloy when it's lighter and better than plastic. This is a beautiful, beautiful piece of machinery. I don't know if it's staying on me, isn't it? See, come on, you can do it. Yep, that is just lovely compared to the usual horrible, whoa, my shed's falling apart. The horrible plastic. Nice little space for the screws for making sure you try and not dazzle everybody, especially French lorry drivers. There's another joke about that, I'm not. Anywho, so we get another load of leaflets on what they do. We get a lovely packing slip, but the most important part is here, I think. So let's take the screws off. Let's open up our beautifully wrapped, yeah, I mean, I like this. And it's quite flat packed as well, which is nice. And there's no wobbly bit. Generally the warped parts from stamped and cut metal happens the more, well, the bigger it is and the more weird the shape. So it is really annoying. We were doing something in round once for a computer base for the carbon computer, which I'll try and link to here. And when they were round, they were perfect. The minute we ordered them oval, we had the wobbly thing, which is kind of difficult when you had like sharp laser cut titanium and you're trying to do it. Anyway, you don't care. This is like Christmas. So we have one Nakatantenga. Oh yes, we like this. We do like this. We like this a lot. So we've got the little holes like the other one. So basically, if I am correct, this is one side. Now, I did have a few thoughts what to do with this, whether to just cover it over or just not care. Oh, we can make some little 3D bits that come to the intercooler. Not going to do that. This is nice. I like this. There's some interesting cutting having gone on here. It's like a serrated edge. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice thing that I'm looking forward to getting on the Defender. So I think what we need to do, now it's stopped raining, it absolutely, I mean, I was trying to have a conference call in here earlier and literally it thundered, lightning, and the heavens opened. So I probably am going to have to insulate the roof, but unless I just don't come in here in thunderstorms. But yeah, I'm looking forward to get these on. I'm going to get some of these boards screwed in, which you can't see at the moment, but they're a bit loose. And we're going to get the Defender grille on the wall, and yeah, hopefully it won't rain in the meantime. Nice. Okay, so the previous one was only held on with these two, and these holes were not used, and so there's the little plastic grommets to hold it in. I'm going to clean this up first, but basically this just holds over like that, and I needn't really worry too much about the hole there, because I might just cover that over with some plastic. But what does bother me is I managed to drop my lens, and so there's a crack there. I'm going to seal that with some super glue. But there were these lovely kind of wipes that went over the not wipes, seals that went over the hole. Don't know why I'm obsessed with sealing those holes, but I'm going to seal that hole anyway. And put some tape over that now. Let's get this cleaned up. So now this has been cleaned up, I'm going to stick one of those in there and another one of those in there. Some clear Gorilla Tape complete with fingerprints over there. Okay, I don't even know why I'm stopping now, but that's what it looks like. It looks amazing, but I don't know if you can check this light, but it is about to absolutely chuck it down, so I better be quick. Yeah. Okay, so I am a bad unboxing person because I nearly forgot these clips. So these screws and clips are, you'll be familiar with these kind of funky clips, and there is some paste which we'll have to Google, but I forgot this box. There is this lovely little box that comes, you have to go in front of your face, then it goes dark. It's terrible, this, isn't it? So let's get my fantastic YouTube knife and open this box and see. I can't imagine what's in here. Oh, aha! I forgot, my little friends. So I don't think I did an update on this, but I did mess up the light. Now I don't know if I've actually messed up the whole light unit. I was expecting this to be, but it's a replacement for the light at the front, and it is a bit, hopefully a bit better than the one that I have. So I basically replaced with like a little LED light that came in. This is looks to be a lot brighter. So I'll be putting this in as well. And hopefully, yeah, I mean the original was a bit like candlelight, but I don't know what I did when I went to, so I got these from 4B originally. There's like a little original light, but instead of having just like the 2 points and you'll see it, there's like a tube, a glass tube and some ends, and it has the power of about half a candle, the original anyway. So the LED one, what it comes in is like a little PCB board with the LEDs on. And okay, so this is the standard light that you get in a Defender, and this, I think you can see the bulb that's under there. So let's take that off if we can. Normally just put a screwdriver on, but I don't have one of those. Gonna have to get a screwdriver. Oh, 5-minute jobs. So with this off, you can now see, and I may be able to turn this on. Basically, when I turn it on, it's just very dim. I don't think I can kind of show you, but there's literally, if it's, I mean, it should be a lot brighter than that. It should be kind of dimming out the, but it's not. So let's turn it off, and let's do the light for light change. And hopefully it's not something electronic in there. Okay, so we have a small problem. I put an old bulb in and that doesn't work at all. So do I risk the new products? I thought when I bought this it was the whole replacement. All the crap that accumulates on your window wipers, you leave a car for a period of time. They'd got dimmer and dimmer and dimmer, and so I eventually put another one in, and I put it in the wrong way around, which is not a problem, but then I pushed it to the top. I don't know if I shorted something, but basically it's not been very bright anymore, and you kind of want, that light's kind of important sometimes. I've got them both turned off at the moment because it's not used battery, but it'd be nice to get a proper light in there, and hopefully that will fix the problem. Otherwise I've got a bigger electrical problem going on. Luckily I've had a look at the 300 TDI loom. Is wonderfully simple. People don't really understand fully the knock-on effects of the simplicity of electronics in a car. And it is really truly wonderful if you look at the loom. I mean, there's probably electric bicycles with bigger wiring looms than the 300 TDI, but yeah, let's go and get these fitted. go.